Hello and welcome back. In this part of the course, you'll have a great overview of the most important date and time function. I will start with today function. So I'm going to select the entire column H. Now right click, insert, and I have a new column. Okay, here I'm going to write equal today is the first function. Today is a date and time function that returns the current date. The function has no argument and therefore the syntax of the function is simply. So I'm just going to close parentheses and now enter. And you can see that I have the current date, 30 December 2014. Okay, another way of using today function is by entering here equal the name of the function today, parentheses, minus, and now I'm going to select a cell that has a date value. A date value I have in the column G in the cell G2. So I'm going to select G2. Now enter. And if I'm going to select here, comma, I have the number of days passed from 5th July 2012 until now. So past 908 days. Okay, if I'm going to make Ctrl C on the selected cell on H2 and going down, now Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift arrow up, Ctrl V to paste, I have all the days passed for every entry I have. So here I have the day passed from 20 June 2012 until now. Here I have the same. I have from October. Here I have from April 2012. So these are the number of days that I have from a date that I have in the column G until today. Okay, now we are going to pass to another function. The Excel day function, when supplied with a date, returns an integer representing the day of the month from 1 to 31. The syntax of the function is, I'm going to write it in a new column. I'm going to click the column A, right click, insert, and here I will say day of date activation. And here I'm starting with the syntax, equal sign, name of the function day, parentheses, and within its parentheses I'm going to put serial number or a cell reference that contains a data. So I'm going to choose G2. Now enter. And you can see that I have the day of date activation, that is 5th day. I want to have this information for all my cells. So I'm going to copy, Ctrl plus C, going down, Ctrl plus V to paste, Ctrl C again, and up, Ctrl V. And now I have the information for all my cells. Okay, another date and time function is month. I'm going to insert here a new column in J, insert. Okay, I will say month of date activation. And the month returns an integer representing the month of the date from 1 to 12. So I'm going to write syntax, equal sign, name of the function month, parentheses, and the serial number is the same, G2 in my case. So I have the result 7, that is the month from my date, that is July, the 7th month from the year. So I'm going to paste it to have the information for all my cells. Another function is year of date activation. I'm going to write here the syntax, and the year of date activation returns an integer representing the year of my date. So I'm going to write syntax, equal sign, name of the function year, parentheses, and within its parentheses I'm going to write serial number or cell reference that contains a date. So G2, enter now. And I have the result is the year 2012. For having the format as a year, I'm going to go here, format cells, number, and here 0. Okay. Now I'll talk about the Excel weekday function that returns an integer representing the day of the week for a supplied date. The syntax of the function is equal weekday, double click in here, serial number, and return type. Serial number is the Excel date that you want to return the weekday of. Return type is an optional integer argument that specifies which integers are to be assigned to each weekday. Possible values are: if we type 1 at return type, then weekday numbering will start with Sunday. Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, and so on until Saturday, that is 7. If return type is 2, then we have Monday equals to 1, Tuesday is for 2, and Sunday for 7. If we have 3, then Monday is 0, Tuesday is 1, and Sunday is 6. If we have 11, then Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, and Sunday is 7. 12 is for Tuesday is 1, and Monday is 7. 13 is for Wednesday is 1, and Tuesday is 7. 14 is for Thursday 1 and Wednesday 7. 15 is for Friday 1 and Thursday 7. 16 is for Saturday 1 and 7 is for Friday. And 17 is used for Sunday equals to 1 and 7 is for Saturday. So, if omitted, the return type argument is set to the default value 1. That means that Sunday is 1 and Monday 2 and Saturday 7. Let's have an example. Serial number, I choose G2 and return type 1. And the answer is 5. That means that the day of 5th July 2012 is Thursday, because 1 is for Sunday, 2 for Monday, and so on. That means that 5 is for Thursday. Okay, and let's say now I want to have 2 here at the return type. Enter now. And I have 4. This is because when return type is 2, that Monday starts with 1 and Tuesday is for 2. So Thursday has the value 4. If I'm going to write here 3 at the return type, I have 3, because if the return type equals 3, Monday has the value 0, Tuesday 1, so Thursday has the value 3. If I write at the return type 11, I have the answer 4, because when I type 11 at the return type, Monday it's for 1, so Thursday is for the value 4. Every value has a day. And now I'm going to paste it right here, weekday function. But if I'm going to delete the return type, I'm going to have 5, because if it's omitted, the return type argument is set to the value 1. So 1 is for Sunday, 2 for Monday, and 7 for Saturday. That means that for Thursday, it's 5. I want to update all my cells, so I'm going to double click here when I have this sign, and you see that was changing all my entries. This is all about date and time function. See you in the next lesson. Bye!